Kubor Snem jong Nongsan Hima.
Menteri ke Sorkar Pedeng Ubakmi Yakatanat Pule Puthi Dharmendra Pradhan. Henne kasngi habai keren bat kinong thok kubor hadian ka Jingïalam bat Menteri Rangba Conrad ke sangma bat Menteri Katanat Pule Puthi Balak men remboi. Ulapen pau ya ke jing sngokumen banya dan bentalang haga convocation ka ba Hapoh hinyau jong ka school ba North Eastern Hill University. Kabahagi ni ke Snem ki baladem kim shim lala ban penlong naka daw jong ka jing shakta ha ka klam ko bet khat khandai Pradhan ulapan pawru ya ka jing sngokumen ba ka jing wan ya shim benta jong kadai ha ka por bakari India karakhi ya ka jing dap hinya phosan Snem jongka bat ka jilla Meghalaya ru karakhi ya ka lingkhu dap san pho Snem ka jongka Shushu nakaleng Pradhan ulapen pau ya kajing sngokumen banyo lat banya tai sanibha halor ka Pule Puthi Hapoh ka jilla. Ulapen pau ya kajing sngokskem baka jilla kan kiu Hapoh ka Jingïalam jong Menteri Rangba Conrad ke sangma. Dan jingkermen baka Meghalaya kan pau bha hakini ki Snem ki banwan bat kan long ka jilla ka baki wei ki jilla hakari kan sapai khamat bat bot nuksa. Ulapan pawru baka jilla katray shitam ban pentray kam ya ka nation education policy. Hado menta ki school ba kum ka nehu, IIM, NIFT, IHM, shen ki haban ya tray lang bat ka sorkar jilla. Ula ongru bahado menta ki kena pule ha ka jilla Meghalaya ki dan hado khatsan langun. Kata kentup nadu ki kena ki badang lai Snem karta. Bat kadai ru ka kamram jong ka sorkar ban pej ya ka jing don kam jongki.
Good day for me. I came to Shillong yesterday night to participate in the 27th convocation of this prestigious university, North Eastern Hills University. Due to Corona, convocation could not have been organized for last 2 years. University organized this program today. I'm happy to part of this convocation. This is a very old and prestigious institution. This is a nice coincidence when country is celebrating 75th years of independence. Meghalaya is also celebrating the golden jubilee, the 50th year of its existence, its formation. Education system of Meghalaya. On the onset, let me candidly compliment my dear good friend, Chief Minister of the Meghalaya, Mr. Conrad Sangma. I can see very soon Meghalaya is going to be the ideal state for the lot of governance unit of this country. They are very aggressive and they are very proactive in implementing national education policy. They are very innovative to create global citizens. They are very enthusiastic and focused to create 100% knowledge ecosystem for its future generation, not only through conventional teaching learning methodology, utilizing the local wisdom which we call the Indian knowledge system through its great heritage, through its great cultural background, through music, through sports, through craftsmanship, through textile, through painting, through horticulture, lot of things. Education has a primary role to create enlightenment in a citizen, and I can say Meghalaya is in the right track. We have allocated good amount of resource. Government of India will cooperate Meghalaya government in all the way. And today, in an important decision, important point came out of this journey. Till now, the central government institution like NEU, IIM, NIT, NIFT, the medical institution, IHM, all are working in tandem. But henceforth, they will be part of the policy process. They will complement, they will be knowledge partner of Meghalaya government. Jointly we will work together. There are around 15 lakhs students starting from age group of 3, because in NEP from the age 3 the Bal Vatika will start, the kindergarten will start. From 3 to 25, this is the usual year of teaching, learning, knowing the things. In this age group, the Meghalaya number is 15 lakhs. Our responsibility, whether it is Meghalaya government or government of India, we have to create a productive manpower for the future. I'm happy. Today we have a good meeting.
The teachers.
Today, my dear friend, Honorable Minister of Education, raised this issue with me. We will find out some way. Because our primary responsibilities of 15 lakhs youngsters, both Government of Meghalaya or Government of India, our responsibilities 15 lakhs students. They are our primary responsibility.